Ever wondered how to make money online with minimal effort? Well, welcome to the exciting world of online entrepreneurship. It's a realm filled with endless opportunities, a universe where you can turn your ideas into reality and potentially earn a decent income from the comfort of your own home. Sounds dreamy, right? Now, let's get real for a moment. The digital landscape can be a tricky terrain to navigate. It's not always a stroll in the park or a quick trip to a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Contrary to what you might see on those flashy Instagram ads, making money online isn't about snapping your fingers and watching the dollars roll in. It's about strategy, patience, and yes, a bit of elbow grease. But before you click away, let's clarify something important. The world of online entrepreneurship is not all about hustle and grind, it's also about working smart, not just hard. So yes, it's absolutely possible to make money online with minimal effort. You might be thinking, wait, isn't that a contradiction? Well, not exactly. The key here is to find the sweet spot between effort and reward. And that's where the intrigue comes in. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, grab a cup of coffee, and open your laptop. You check your email and find notifications of earnings that came in while you were sleeping. Sounds like a fantasy? Well, it's not. It's what we call passive income, and it's one of the laziest yet smartest ways to make money online. So you see, the intriguing possibilities are endless in the digital world. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, looking to expand your income streams, or a newbie just dipping your toes into the online business pool, there are ways to earn with minimal effort. Now you might be wondering, how can I start this simple online money-making journey? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into this exciting world and uncover the secrets to making money online, the lazy way. The first step to earning online begins with understanding the basics. It all starts with having something valuable to offer. This something could be a physical product, perhaps a handmade craft or a useful gadget. Or it could be a digital product like an ebook, online course, or downloadable design templates. But don't fret if you don't have a product per se. Your skills and knowledge can also be your commodity. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Or maybe you have a knack for teaching languages. You see, the online world is a vast marketplace hungry for diverse skills and unique products. Your task is to identify what you have that others might want or need. Remember, the key to making money online isn't necessarily having the most innovative product or the highest level of expertise. It's about recognizing what you can offer and who might benefit from it. Once you've identified your product or service, it's time to think about the platform. The platform you choose can make or break your online business. It's the stage where your product or service performs, so selecting the right one is crucial. Let's dive into a few options and their pros and cons. First off, e-commerce websites. They offer the most control over your brand and customer experience. However, they require a bit more effort in terms of setup and maintenance. Next, social media platforms. These are great for reaching a wide audience and driving engagement, but they come with the challenge of staying relevant among rapidly changing trends. Lastly, online marketplaces. They provide an existing customer base and easy setup, but they also come with high competition and potentially hefty fees. Choosing the right platform depends on your product or service, your target audience, and your personal comfort level with the platform's requirements. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Now that you've chosen your platform, let's move to the next step. Automation is the key to making money online with minimal effort. Now, let's dive into the magic of automation. It's like having an army of diligent workers who never sleep, never complain, and are always ready to perform tasks exactly as you've instructed. Imagine a scenario where a potential customer lands on your website at 2 in the morning. You're sound asleep, but your business isn't. An automated chatbot greets the visitor, answers their questions, and even guides them through the buying process if they're ready to make a purchase. The beauty of this is that you're making sales, even in your sleep. But chatbots are just one piece of the automation puzzle. Automatic responses are another crucial element. Say a customer sends an email asking about your return policy. Instead of manually answering each inquiry, you can set up automatic responses that provide all the necessary information. This way, customers get immediate answers and you get to focus on other aspects of your business. Now, let's not forget about scheduling tools. These can be a lifesaver, especially when it comes to managing orders. Instead of manually keeping track of every order that comes in, a scheduling tool can do that for you. It can even send reminders to customers about their upcoming deliveries or notify you when stock levels are getting low. It's like having a personal assistant who's always on top of things. Automation also extends to your marketing efforts. You can schedule social media posts, blog updates, or email newsletters ahead of time. This means your marketing continues to run smoothly, even when you're on vacation or simply taking a well-deserved break. Automation is not about replacing the human touch. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business, developing new products, or perhaps just enjoying life a bit more. In a nutshell, automation is your secret weapon in the battle for online profits. It's like a silent partner working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure your business runs smoothly, efficiently, and profitably. Automation will help you streamline your business and save you a lot of time. And as we all know, time is money, especially in the world of online business, so embrace automation and let it do the heavy lifting for you. Now that you've set up your business, it's time to let the world know about it. You've put in the work, crafted a product or service you're proud of, and now it's time to shout it from the rooftops. But how? Well, that's where marketing comes into play. Marketing is more than just throwing a few ads out into the world and hoping for the best. It's a strategic, thought-out process that targets your audience and convinces them that your product or service is exactly what they need. Let's start with content marketing. Think of this as the story you're telling about your business. It's the blog posts you write, the videos you produce, the podcasts you record. Content marketing is about providing value to your audience, showing them that you understand their needs and have the solution. It's about building trust and establishing yourself as an authority in your field. Then there's social media marketing. In today's digital age, this is a strategy you can't afford to ignore. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are teeming with potential customers. Social media allows you to engage with your audience, answer their questions, and respond to their feedback. It's a fantastic way to build a community around your brand, and let's not forget about email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains a powerful tool for reaching your audience. It's direct, personal, and allows you to nurture relationships with your customers over time. An engaging newsletter, a timely promotion, or a heartfelt thank you note can go a long way in turning a one-time customer into a loyal fan. Each of these strategies has its strengths and can be effective on its own. But when used together, they create a powerful marketing mix that can attract customers, boost sales, and propel your business forward. Remember, marketing isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires consistency, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience. Marketing is crucial for your business's growth and success. So get out there, spread your message, and watch as your business thrives. Making money online with minimal effort is not a myth, but a reality that many have achieved. We've delved deep into this topic today, and now it's time to bring everything together. We kicked off by understanding the basics. We discovered that making money online is not about quick riches, but rather about finding a sustainable source of income that fits your lifestyle. It's possible to earn from the comfort of your home or while traveling the world. The key is to find something that you are passionate about and that you can commit to for the long haul. Next, we discuss the importance of choosing the right platform. Remember, the platform you choose can make or break your online venture. Whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, an online store, or a social media account, it should be a platform that resonates with your audience and your content. It should provide the tools you need to create, distribute, and monetize your content effectively. We then ventured into the world of automation. This is where the laziest part comes in. By automating your online business, you can free up your time to focus on what matters most, creating quality content and engaging with your audience. Automation tools can handle tasks like content scheduling, customer service, and even sales, allowing your business to run smoothly even when you're not actively working on it. Lastly, we touched on marketing your business. No matter how great your content is, it won't make a difference if no one sees it. From SEO to social media marketing, there are countless ways to get your content in front of the right audience. The key is to understand your audience, create content that appeals to them, and use the right channels to reach them. Remember, the journey to online entrepreneurship may require some effort initially. But with the right strategies, you can indeed make money online with minimal effort. Good luck on your journey.